Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's video we're going to be going over a crazy modified Nissan Titan Pro-4X. This is one of the videos in the Auto Show Special Series, I guess is what we will call it. And yeah, so in today's video we're going to be going over this modified Nissan Titan. This is basically just a quick walk around on the truck. I filmed a whole series. This is on the second channel, so obviously if you're not subscribed to the second channel, subscribe so you guys can see the whole series on all these newly released cars and just cool cars in general. And I guess a quick background on this Nissan Titan, and I'll kind of talk about this in the walk around portion of the video, is this is built off of a Pro-4X. It's got a lift, tires, wheels, and a Baja rack tire setup. You guys will see all that in the video, but really cool build. And I just want to mention the size of this truck is crazy, and you guys will kind of see some size reference in the video. It's just absolutely insane. But yeah, let's just hop right into it. Now let's go over this lifted Nissan Titan Pro-4X, and let me tell you, this truck has some presence. So notice how you've got the decal there in the center of the hood, and then you've got the orange with the Nissan logo. It's kind of a new thing that Nissan's done for their off-road vehicles. Matches the tow hooks here on the Pro-4X. You guys can see the skid plate action happening underneath. But yeah, like I said, this truck looks just fantastic. It is massive, absolutely massive. You guys can see the new headlights for the Titan. And then here's a quick look at the tire and wheel setup. So I believe it's 35s wrapped around 20-inch wheels. And then I'm guessing the lift was like a 6-inch because, again, just judging by the height and everything, it looks like it was about a 6-inch lift roughly. And just look how aggressive the tires are. So 35s. 20-inch wheels. And I love how they did a blacked out wheel. I think it looked really good. And then you guys can see here with the rock rail, which protects it if you take it off-road. And then popping here to the interior, you've got the Pro-4X interior. So it's got the contrasted orange stitching, and then that's all throughout the seat. You've got the Pro-4X logo embroidered on the seat. Really nice leather seats here in the Pro-4X. And you guys can see all the normal controls here. Carbon fiber as well. I got the locker, all that fun stuff. The automatic adjustment for the steering wheel, and then the analog gauge cluster, which you guys know I'm actually a huge fan of. And then you've got Nissan's steering wheel here, again with all the orange accenting. Their infotainment system, all the controls here for the center stack on top of that. And then you guys can see down here, it's got heated and cooled seats. Notice the center console, absolutely massive. Again, more of that contrasted stitching. But you guys have seen the Pro-4X before. I did a whole series on the truck. Just thought I'd quickly show you guys the interior on this particular truck. And I was trying to show you guys the window sticker, but didn't work out. So I had to go quite a bit closer so you guys can see on this particular Titan the options and everything. And let me tell you, I had to reach the camera up pretty high because, again, the truck's just massive. But yeah, just look at the stance on this, and with the rack on the back, it looks so cool. It has that Baja style appearance, which I just absolutely love. And then just look at the setup here in the rear, and then you guys will notice how beefy the leaf springs are there in the back with the Titan. And then again, you got your Pro-4X logo, and then it has the tires in the back. Again, Baja style, just like what you see on a Shelby Raptor. Again, adds the aggression, looks really cool. You've got the kickstep back there too, so you can actually access the bed. And then notice the mud flap there on the back. And then just give you guys an idea of size. Right? Look at that. Regular old Rogue, okay? With some off-road tires given. Compared to the Titan, and then get ready for this. That's a stock Pro-4X. Like, look at the size difference between that and the stock Pro-4X. It is just mind-boggling. But yeah, there you go.